So I just arrived at the Home2 Suites by Hilton here in Long Island City. This cost $86 per night plus taxes, and it comes with fully equipped with the things that you really don't even need in New York. I like that they have the dispensers here instead of all the small bottles. Very nice. Desk for my work. Seating area here for nothing. The bed, of course. But okay, are you ready? Okay, are you ready? Look at this. Look at this. Oh wow, that is the UN, Empire State Building, Chrysler Building, Queensboro Bridge. It's everything Midtown. This is, I mean, my hands are shaking. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna just sit here and look at this view because this is amazing. And the good thing is, I was supposed to get the room right next door, and they were able to check me in early, but the room right next door would have had that view. So me checking in early, like 9:30, gave me that room, that view. And he said I was allowed to go get the complimentary breakfast now. So yes,